Do you know how angry I've been with this beard trimmer? At some point I really hated it. What happened? It worked for a few years and then all of a sudden, the battery seemed to run low really fast. I was just charging and charging it and it just ran flat at once. So I thought, yes, it's time to buy a new one. Or was it? You have been charging your beard trimmer and then it runs flat. But have you ever really tried to clean it? I hadn't. I realized how stupid I was. Before you throw your beard trimmer, I hope you will try out this trick. So first of all, I want you to open this piece and pull this one out and you start to clean it. And then you clean the razor. Move it a little bit back and forth as you clean it to get away as many hairs as possible, which might be trapped underneath here. It might sound like a good plan, but you really shouldn't open this piece because it's very hard to get the knife back in the right position. And now you can put a few drops of any sanitizer, anti-bac or whatever, just to make it even cleaner. I guess it will take away some grease as well. And then you wipe it off with a piece of paper. And now we get to the creative and fun part of this project, where I'm just poking around the house looking for the right lubricant. And today, that lubricant is going to be gun oil. So I'm gonna add a few drops of this nice oil to the knife on the razor. Just for the record, this is the sound of the razor prior to the cleaning process. So I just put on a few drops of oil and then I wipe off the excess. It shouldn't be too oily because then you get even more hair and stuff trapped in all the grease. So then it's time to reassemble. And now I'm really excited to hear if the sound is any different. So that was my little trick to you. This has worked for me over and over again. And I'm still using this beard trimmer, which is maybe 5 or 6 years old. And I will gladly admit that I'm a quite stupid guy who didn't realize this at once. But at least now you don't have to ask and now you know too. Take it back out of the trash bin and give it a go. Good luck!